Are you looking for ways to increase your business revenue? It's time to think outside the box and get creative. In this video, we'll share with you 10 incredible ways to make more money from your business. So let's dive in and explore these exciting opportunities together. 1. Expand your target market by targeting international customers and exploring export opportunities. Expanding your target market to include international customers can be a game changer for your business. With the global marketplace at your fingertips, you have access to a wider range of consumers who may be interested in what you have to offer. 2. Host paid events, workshops, or retreats related to your industry. Hosting paid events, workshops, or retreats related to your industry can be an effective way to generate additional revenue for your business. 3. Develop your business app and get customers from your app. Developing a business app is an excellent way to engage with your customers and monetize your business. With the rise of smartphones, and people are using apps for their daily tasks, including shopping and banking. 4. Create a branded podcast or YouTube channel and monetize it through sponsorships, ads, and product placement. Creating a branded podcast or YouTube channel can be an excellent way to grow your business and generate additional revenue. 5. Offer premium warranty or extended service contracts for your products. A premium warranty can be offered as an add-on at the time of purchase or bundled with the product. The length of time covered under the warranty can vary depending on the product and its lifespan. For example, a laptop may have a 3-year extended service contract, while a blender may only have an additional 6 months. 6. Implement a subscription model or membership program for recurring revenue. Implementing a subscription model or membership program can help your business generate recurring revenue. This type of model works well for businesses that offer services or products on a regular basis. 7. Utilize e-commerce platforms to sell merchandise or branded merchandise related to your business. To start selling on e-commerce platforms, you need to create an account and set up your store. It's important to optimize your product listing with high-quality images and detailed descriptions that highlight the unique features of your products. 8. Provide add-on services or packages that enhance the value of your core offerings. By providing additional services or products, you can not only generate more income, but also create better customer experiences. 9. Provide training or workshops for other businesses in your industry to generate additional revenue streams. One of the most effective ways to generate additional streams of revenue for your business is by offering training or workshops to other businesses in your industry. 10. Rent or lease equipment or assets related to your business when not in use. Renting or leasing equipment or assets related to your business when not in use is an excellent way to bring in extra income without having to invest much time or effort.